G'day everyone, Wizzo here again. Just going to talk about the bike. Sort of been completed now. Finally got it sorted. Put a new fuel pump. Bought a relay, but the ignition relay, realised it's not that. It was actually the ignition switch itself. Even the second one that I'd purchased wasn't right. So anyway, I'll turn around and give you a walkthrough, and then I'll take it for a ride. Okay, so here it is, it's out. So the bike was originally a blue bike. When I picked it up, it was painted green and it was in real bad shape. The fairing repairs were terrible. Paint job was shocking. Anyway, I was going to paint it back to the original blue, but I realised like it was not really worth, you're not going back to original anyway, with some of the things that would happen painted. So decided I love the idea of satin black. Anyway, so it's got new pads on it. Purchased a new screen, the other one was in bad shape, mirrors, so just a few basics, bar ends. And obviously you can see all the gold bolts that have gone on. Painted up some of the parts to match, because the rims were already that goldy colour. I didn't mind it. New indicators on, and I say a lot of time spent in that paint job, and I love the satin black. So there it is. All right, now that's up and running okay. I haven't ridden it yet, so that's what's going to happen now. So let's start her up and see what it's like. Sounding pretty good. I like the sound of this exhaust. Let's take it for a ride. Not too bad, bit of a sort of flat spots in it. I don't know if it's because it hasn't been run for a while or the air box is not right, but yeah, it ran pretty good. Okay, that's it, it's done. I know the decals aren't on. I bought some from overseas, I couldn't get them here, and they just weren't right, so I'm just going to run without them. Other than that, complete, finished. Now it's sell it, move on to the next thing. As I said, hopefully back onto a dirt bike. For now, take it easy. Yeah.